Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the regular puzzles. The regular puzzles in today's newspaper on Wednesday, March the 27th, 2024. Almost end of the month. And we have here 3 regular puzzles. One of them I've already solved, so 2 puzzles remain. The 4 Stars Sudoku and the binary puzzle. And in today's newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. And what's the news of the day? Well, I've told you earlier, it's today war day number 763. 763 days ago the war started in Ukraine, and it's still going on. Yes, when will it be peace? Second war in Israel. There's a lot of war on this earth. So, and Easter is coming. So, where is the peace? Yes. Anyway, 4 Stars Sudoku number 8259. 8259. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Well, 27 should be a 1-star. For 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. But it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle, it should be 24. Yeah, 24 printed digits. This puzzle has 3 digits more printed, yes. But for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. We have here 3 missing numbers in the middle column. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left of the 7 in the middle column should be there. So 2 numbers left in the middle column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 4, the 9, 4, and 9. We have 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 in the row above, no 6 there. Only place left for the 6 should be there. Alright. Then 7 in the last row, 7 in that row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this second column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. Alright, the 4 here. The 4 there. Then. 7. And I need a 3 here. Need a 9, yeah. 9 and a 4. No. Need a 4 here. Yeah. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 6, 3. No 7 here, need a 7 here. Yeah, I'm thinking. Come on. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 3 of those missing numbers in this big square are numbers 2, 7, and a 6. We have 2, 7, and a 6 in this row, so no 2, 7, and 6 in these 2 boxes. 2 and 7 and a 6, the triplet goes in those 3 boxes. 2, 7, and a 6, 2, 7, and a 6. We have a 6 here, so the 7 and a 2. Oh, well, we have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. I believe the 7 should be here. Yep. 7 in this column, no 7 in these 3 boxes. 7 in this row, no 7 in those 2 boxes. Yep. The only place left for the 7 should be there. So the 6 and the 2 are left. Should be here, the 6 and the 2. Because it cannot be placed there, because we have a 6 and a 2 here. So the other 2 numbers should be the 1 and the, I believe, the 9. Yeah, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. Okay, so we have a 9. So we have a 9 in one of those two boxes in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left on the 9 should be here, or there. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 in the first column, no 9 there. The only place left on the 9 should be there. Right. Then. Well. 3, 3. 4, 4, okay. Need a 4 here also. Yeah, thinking, 7. No, 5. 5 should be here. 5. Yeah, thinking. Yeah. 6 there. Yeah. 5 here. 3. We have a pair. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the last row, so no 5 in these two boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. And we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left on 3 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in one of those two boxes in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright, 9. Need a 9 here. Okay. So 2 numbers left in the last column for numbers. 1 is missing. And 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. 2. Alright. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 to 5, 4 to 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright, let me blow my nose again. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, 7 is missing, 8, 9 is missing. 6, 7, 9. 6, 7, 9. Okay, cannot fill this yet. 6, 7, 9. Okay. So we have 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have 5 in the second column, no 5 in these 3 boxes here. 5 in the last row, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 5, okay. Yeah, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, okay. Well. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and 8. We have 3 and 8 in the second box, so no 3 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be in, and 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then 1. Then need 8 here, and I need 3 here. Alright. 7 in this row, 7 in that row, so the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there, 7, should be there. Yeah. 6, 2, and the 1. Need a 1 there. 6 cannot be here. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. Oh. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. And how about these 2 missing numbers here? 1. The 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. Oh. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those again. Okay. Need a 5 here. And I need a 7 here. 7. I need a 9 here. 9, 8, and 2. Need a 2 here. Well. I need a 2 there. Need a 2 here, yeah. 2. Right. Come on. 1, 2, and 3 is missing. 1, 2, and 3. Well, we have a 3 here. Yeah, I need a 3 in the first column. Here can be a 3, we have 3 in the second row, no 3 there. Here can be 3, we have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. Only place level 3 should be there. So the 1 and the 2 are left, okay. Here I've marked those 2 boxes earlier. The 3, we have a 3 now in the last row, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 2. 2 should be in one of those 2 boxes. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. The only place level 2 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 9. So the 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 8 in this row, 8 last row, 8 in the row above. So that row, the only place level 8 should be there. And we have, nope, we don't have a pair. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this column. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. In the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. 6, 7, 9. Well, we have a 6 and a 7 here. So here can be 6 and a 7. 6 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left should be the 9. So the 6 and the 7. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 7 goes there. I marked this box with 7 or 9. We have a 7 here. So this box should be a 9. 1 box left in the second row for the man. 1 and 2. The 3, the 4 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for the man. 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. Yeah, so 1 and a 2, okay. How about the missing numbers in this big square? 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 1, 5, 6. 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6. And looking for 1 and 6 in this row. No 1 and 6 in this box. 1 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 5. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 1, 2, 2 or a 3, we have a 3 there, so this box should be a 2. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 1 and 4, 1 and 4 cannot fill this yet. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3 is missing and the 4 is missing. 3 to 4, 3 to 4. Cannot fill this yet. Not a pair in this big square are the numbers 1 and the 2. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 4. We have a 1 in the second column. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in the second column. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 in the first column. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 6, we have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be in, a 6 goes there. The final 2 numbers, 6 and a 2. We have 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes, exactly 50 minutes. Wow. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the binary puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.